Hi, Naveen here. Welcome back to social science classes. In the previous classes, we are discussing about the crops pattern, crop seasons, and crop patterns. Today classes, we are going to speak you here about the more major crops of India. A wide variety of crops are grown in a different parts of India. They can be classified as food crops, commercial crops, oil seeds, and plantation crops. So, what are food crops? The crops which are grown to provide food for people is called or called food crops. For example, main things we can talk about rice, wheat, jawar, pulses, etc. here. So rice, you can see in the map that is a minor area and the major area which are the producing here. So the recent important food crops in India, it is the staple food for of the people in eastern and southern and southwestern parts of the country. India has the largest area under rice in the world, but it is the second largest producer of rice. The first place goes to China, second place is in India, Rice we can call as it is a kharif crop. It's and primarily it is a tropical crop also. It requires high temperature. It is 18 degrees centigrade to 25 degrees centigrade, and heavy rainfall. It's 100 to 200 centimeters per year. Soils like alluvial, clayey, loamy soil are the best suited for its cultivation. Rice needs standing water and it needs level land. Irrigation is necessary whether wherever rainfall is less. Means here the if here the scanty of rainfall will be there, it requires irrigation facility. Already I said irrigation means artificial supply of water for the purpose of agriculture, and already we said it is per year annual rainfall. It requires 100 to 200 centimeters annual rainfall. Rice and moreover temperature I will repeat is 18 to 25 degree centigrade it requires. And rice is grown in almost all the states of India. West Bengal is the largest producer of rice in the country. The other important producers of rice are Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, and Karnataka. Next, food crops I am going to talk here regarding wheat, and you can see in the map that is which are the area is producing major and minor wheat producing states. Okay, the second important food crops and major, that is a rabi crop of India. Wheat is an important staple food in the northern and northern western part of the country. It is a crop temperature regions. It is a crop of temperate regions. It requires moderate temperature, that is 10 degree to 15 degrees Celsius, and annual rainfall it requires 50 to 70 centimeters of rainfall. Heavy loams and block soil are best suited for wheat cultivation. Wheat is mainly grown in northern plains including Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and northern part of Karnataka, of which Uttar Pradesh is largest producer of wheat in India. India is the second largest producer of wheat in the world next to China. See here the similarity, rice and the wheat, both we are having the second place. The first place goes to China. And the exam they may ask about what is the difference between the rice and wheat. So you have to mention there what are the climatic condition related and which crop it is, means kharif and rabi crop you have to mention, and rainfall you have to mention. These are the things you have to mention here. Next we are going to talk about commercial crops. Crops which is grown, the crops that is grown for sale is called as a commercial crop. For example, sugarcane, cotton, tobacco, oil seeds, etc. So today class I am going to speak you about sugarcane. It is the most important commercial crop of India. India is the world's largest area under sugarcane. So we are having the largest area under sugarcane, but we are the second producer of sugarcane. The first place goes to Brazil here. Sugarcane is a native belonging to India. It is the main sources of sugar, gur and kandasari. Sugarcane is an annual crop and it is grown in irrigated areas. It requires high temperature of 21 degree to 26 degrees Celsius and heavy rainfall from the 100 to 150 centimeters per annum. It thrives the best alluvial and loamy soils. The most important sugarcane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. So the scientific name of sugarcane, that is Sachrum Ishinaram. Okay, next I am going to talk you regarding we will be speak the things that is tobacco. Before that, you can see in the maps that is a major and a minor sugarcane producing states in India. So next major crops I am going to speak you here, that is tobacco. Where we are using tobacco, yeah, it is, maybe we are saying that tobacco is injurious to health also, but India is it is an important cash crops of India, that is tobacco. And tobacco is used for smoking like a BD, cigarette, cigar, cheroot, hookahs, etc. Very little it is used for the chewing, snuff and insecticides, and it is a tropical crop which requires high temperature of 21 to 23 centigrade and moderate rainfall near to 50 centimeters to the 100 centimeters annual rainfall. Sandy loamy soil is the best suited for it. It requires chemical fertilizers. Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Bihar are the leading producer of tobacco in India. Now India is the third largest producer, fourth largest exporter of tobacco in the world, and map you can see which are the area which have covered with the cultivation of tobacco. Next class I am going to speak you regarding fiber crops. In that cotton I am going to speak, beverage crops I am going to speak, in that tea, and horticulture and floriculture I am going to speak. Up to there, stay tuned to GJS. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.